Well, hello, thank you for clicking in. This is a jewelry haul unboxing / auction preview for tonight's auction and Friday's auction. I do auctions twice a week. This week it is Wednesday the 14th and Friday the 16th at 7 p.m. Eastern. If you want a free alert and you're not signed up already, just text Hello Dawn to 917-809-7250 and you will get a free alert when I go live with an auction or a sale or a pop-up. This week's auctions are things that I thrifted that I promised would be coming up. Things from Maria's collection, including Bohemian garnet, and things from my consignor, all pins from the consignor, the same consignor that had the rings. So the first thing is, you will recognize this. This is the gold-filled bangle. This will be coming up. The sterling silver bangle, artist marked. The cloisonné bangle. The electroform. And these two as a set, I believe these are Mexico. Also, keeping it in bracelets, the vintage Disney charm bracelet. This beautiful thing. I got a lot of questions about this. This is sterling and onyx, and it reminds me very much of the NR designer group that I had. Look at that clasp. That'll be coming up. The jade nuggets. This is all from the recent thrift trips. If you haven't seen those videos, I will link to one up here. The tourmaline, this is such good tourmaline. Look at that, graduated. Really nice old amethyst, old clasp. This is antique for sure. Look at the clarity on that amethyst. The mid-century modern sterling and wood. Probably also good luck. Touch wood, you know, artist signed, beautiful. I believe that is a South African artist. This is from Maria. This is a sterling silver charm bracelet with all sterling charms. Wonderful vintage there. Loaded with charms. Some have enameling. This is from a recent thrift trip. These little Art Deco era rhodium plated sterling bow earrings with real pearls. These, I know a lot of you are waiting for these. Look how beautiful those moonstones are. Oh my goodness. And they're so well made. The sterling face earrings. Beautifully made. Never seen anything like this. I'm sure they are artist made. The sterling mid-century swirls remind me so much of Schlumberger. Also the circa 1970s geometric square earrings. The big crystals you saw me thrift, those are wonderful. These are a long length. That is super nice. The beautiful Natasha necklace with the rhinestone centers. This is so great. Haven't seen any other ones on the internet. I think they're a pretty rare addition. That's coming up. This is from Maria. Look at this rock crystal. Look, beautiful. So much amethyst, lavender color, and rock crystal all knotted in between. 3 strands. That is a keeper. I would keep that if I could. More amethyst. This is a darker amethyst briolet. This is valuable. This, I love this. This is Ralph Lauren. Look at that. You know what? I have to check and see what this is. My first thought is, of course, glass, but sometimes Ralph Lauren used other stones. And if that is cut rock crystal, oh my God, I doubt it, but I have to check. Swarovski, a beautiful Swarovski necklace. Good length, good size. Clear, great starter. The pinchbeck and Bohemian garnet. No missing stones. Beautiful condition. Can you see the rose cut teardrops in there? The pear shapes. Look at that, rose cut pear shapes. Goes all the way around. Will fit a modern size wrist. Also, carbuncle in pinchbeck. Look at this. Look at these stones. Carbuncle can sometimes be worth more than Bohemian garnet itself. This does have a little bit of verdigris in these stones, but this is quite an incredible find. This came from Maria as well, and look how it reads. It's large. This is very special. Now, on first glance, this looks perhaps, if you see it from the back, like what they were making in India and calling 925, and it wasn't. But this is not that. This is artisan made. Look at the amethysts in there. Do you see the cut and the colors? And then that is all art glass. So this is a one-of-a-kind studio piece. That's extraordinary. I'm also adding my Irwin Pearl link necklace. I finally found it. I have been wearing this. That's why. But this is an excellent thing, and I did promise, so I'm bringing it. Last piece from Maria. This is costume. It is important looking. It's a sort of a book chain style, and then each link has a design. And then look at this. It's a locket that opens like this, and look at the motif. Now this really looks like sterling. I think it's very heavily plated. I am attributing this, this right here makes me think it is Irwin Pearl. It is not signed. Look at the clasp. This is an extraordinary piece, and I am attributing this to Irwin Pearl. That's a collector piece. I'm also bringing my little sterling, not so little actually. Look at that clasp. Pistachio pearls. Beautiful sterling clasp. This bracelet is great on. The little Etruscan style Mexico silver ring. Now, we're going to get to the pins. Now, I'm bringing this. This is 10 karat gold and sterling silver artist signed. Somebody wrote in and told me who it was. They're European. Anyway, look at the texture. Look how beautiful that is. Okay, so that's the first thing. Now, we're going to get to the pins from the consignor collection, and I haven't seen them either. It's the first time I'm looking at them with you, so that will be fun. This is the bag. I'm literally going to be going through it with you now. And what you can do is let me know what you want me to bring. Just comment below, and I will bring it. I'll do it before the show starts. Okay, so you have, oh, look at that. So you have time. All right, let's start there. It's already filled up. Okay, so this is beautiful. This looks like Florenza. Okay. Is that like a V shape? Oh, that's nice. Okay, or it could be check. This definitely looks check. I see, I think that's a missing stone. No, it's not. It's a pearl. Oh, this is perfect. Okay, that's beautiful. There's the back of that. This one. Okay. Let's number them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, baby teeth. Ooh, look at that. Is that a boucher? Ooh, it's a Dinicola. That's fantastic. Little cherubim, little baby teeth. Pearls, that's what they're called. This looks important. This is a duet. Oh yeah, this is very nice. Has its original. So the way that this works is this unclips. They unclip from the frame. Okay. Like this. It's actually all 3 pieces are still together. See that? And it becomes dress clips. Dress clips or a regular brooch. And this is deco. And I'm sure it's signed and patented. Coro made them, as well as Trifari. Yeah, this actually says Coro Duet right up here. That's pretty cool. Pretty rare these days. So let's do rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rows of 5. 6. Ooh, look at that. Cloak clasp, very old. That's at least deco, maybe older. Oh, here we have a bracelet. I thought it was just pins. This is beautiful. There's the link in the back. I love this. Oh, it's a peacock. Beautiful. 9. This looks like Austria. Oh yeah, definitely. Oh, with enameling. That's beautiful. Okay. Another one of these. Oh, let's put these together. We'll keep those as a group. Look how beautiful that is. Okay. Lovely. You can also do things like that. And I guess I'll do 20. I'll do 20. Oh, this looks important. This is important. What is this? Oh my God. It's Gross, Germany, 1965, dated. Look at it. It looks real. That's what they look like when you see them. A little clock style locket. Very cool. Oh my God. I love that. This is, this looks like gold over silver. Okay, we're starting with 20, but we can't probably do all 20. So I'll go by what you pick. Look at that. Oh, what a gorgeous motif. And it is oriented like that. There's the back. This is probably signed as well. Oh, wow. Look at the back of that. Ooh. Oh, my God. Look at those. Are those cabs? Look at those rectangular cut. Pear shape, mixed cuts. This is so nice. Look at the back. This could be Juliana. Okay, so that is 15. I need 5 more. This one, I just want to tease, okay? This is special. This is not today. That's sapphire red, everybody. Really big ones. This is exceptional. That is coming up in the future. Look at these. Okay. gorgeous. That could be a Florenza. Oh, look at that. Exceptional. Oh, we have a frog on a frog. This is after David Webb. This is good. This is really good. Okay, that's 3. All right, there's 6 in here, so we'll do an extra. This one I love. This one I would keep for myself in a heartbeat. Look, you can't even catch the color on there. Oh my God, that's such a good one. And then we have the enameled butterfly. So this is 20, all right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the duet. 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the peacock. 11 is the 1965 gross. Same company that did Dior. 12, 13, 14, like that, I think it's oriented, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, there's just 20. Oh, and then the cat. The cat is number 21. Looks like Swarovski. Superb. Oh my gosh, I love this one. Okay, so that is 21 pins. This is, I hope you enjoyed the vintage jewelry haul unboxing. There's more. This is going to be a series, and I will see you at the auction. Thanks for watching.